Hey everyone, welcome to my channel. I hope you all are safe and taking good care of yourself. I love to paint on different subjects and being versatile. So I thought I should paint an underwater scene which has been there in my wish list since long. So let's paint with me. I'm using wet on wet technique here. That means the paper is already moist and then I'm applying color. It gives an awesome finish to the painting, and for that you need a good quality paper for sure. There are a lot of brands available in the market. If you want to know about the suitable paper for watercolor, you can ask me or DM me, so I can give you an idea about that. All the materials that I've used in this painting have been mentioned in the video itself and also in the description box. You can go and check it out. Keep blending the color in the half circular pattern to get that deep ocean feeling. Use a flat brush for this and then its edge for the circular strokes. Use a fine round brush for painting the figure and draw an outline to have the clear idea. For the straight strokes of the light reflection, you can use a ruler also. I've used a white gel pen for the reflection on the girl. You can use it too because it is more convenient. In case if you are recreating this painting, do tag me or show me your painting. I would love to see them. And it's ready. So I hope you have liked this video, and thanks for watching.